comes off crunchy. All right, traction control off. And time to make the donuts.
I want to eat them.
You can't eat dirt donuts.
Hey, Buster, I'm never going to Dunkin' Donuts.
We'll go after.
Hey, Dunkin' Donuts! Oh, Cameron, are you okay?
That's a shovel. That's weird. I get the shovels because they're making ramps and stuff. I don't get the leaf blower.
No.
Snow blower. It's making it easy. Definitely not the leaf. Alright, yeah. Alright, let's run around a little bit.
Speaking of snow, why is one bird green?
I don't know. Alright, go ahead.
This is the puddles, and there's stuff on it. You probably know about this already. It's mushy, but my favorite part is this. Watch. My dad tries to take. My dad tries to not let me fall, but I'm not. Oh, yeah, of course. It would help. I would need some. What are those?
Those are some people standing up here like you.
Wow, I'm really high.
There you go.
Look, high. Daddy, so you have to go in front of me. Okay, I'm right, Dad, but I'm itchy. Trying to get him. Missing attack.
You got me. Speaking of mittens, I'm gonna go put mine on.
Remember, the Jeep is base.
Uh-oh. You got it. There he goes. Awesome. I haven't gone down this side in a while. Let me go down the other part. You ready? Oh, it's nice and icy too. Hold on.
Oh, I was wrong.
Yeah, I would have done it if I didn't think we're gonna be over. Wiggle, wiggle, bump, bump, pow.
Well, I'm just a cat.